Serm or hyacinth bean has finally made its appearance in Durban, and I am so excited to share my recipe with you. If you get your hands on some Serm this season, please don't forget to get the Laari as well, because that is the winning combination. Serm and Laari with the dry fish. I have been waiting for this seasonal vegetable all year round. So let's begin. I'm starting by boiling my dry fish in some boiled water, just for the saltiness to go away. On the back plate, I'm steaming my Serm. I also have some Laari, also known as pigeon peas. I'm just adding in a little bit of salt. And once this reaches a boil, you can remove and strain. So I'm just adding a little bit of cold water to the dry fish, and then I'm going to proceed to clean by removing the black parts of the dry fish. Sorry about the steam, guys. Let's start cooking. So I've already added some oil to the pan. I'm going to be frying the dry fish just for about 2 minutes on either side. I'm using the same oil to braise the Serm and Laari with dry fish. I have added in 1 large diced onion. You just want to let this onions become translucent. I'm adding in a dry chilli. I'm going to follow this with some curry leaves. Followed by ginger and garlic paste. We want to give everything a nice good mix. 1 diced tomato, turmeric powder, some chili powder, and a curry spoon of masala. Give everything a nice good mix. I'm now adding in the Serm and the Laari. Now this is not going to take very long to cook because it has been boiled already. So I'm just going to toss this around a little bit, just bringing all of the spices to the top. It already has such a beautiful color. Some salt for taste. I'm adding in a little water. Funny story is, I never used to eat this until the day I saw my mom and bestie enjoying this dish and going in for seconds. So I grabbed a plate and never looked back. And ever since, it has become one of my favorites. This is at the halfway mark and it already looks so good. I'm now proceeding to add my dry fish, as the curry is almost done, and I'm just going to give it maybe another minute or so, just for everything to merge and come together nicely. And look at that, guys, look at that beautiful color. This is truly a seasonal gem. Absolutely delicious. And if you have coriander, don't forget to finish off with some coriander. Happy cooking, friends. And this is the Serm and Laari with a dry fish.